And when the night wraps shadows round your bed, and your wife lies sleeping, resting her head, wake her gently with a kiss, soft and slow. Let the bed be more than a place to go. Explore together without maps or lines. See how far touch travels, how the body shines. Let this night be yours, from dusk till golden rise. Seize the day while the fire's in your veins. Work with passion, let it burst through all your chains. Laugh out loud with your friends by the door, and love like time won't offer anymore. Life is a song, so play it bold and true. Each moment's a miracle if it speaks to you. You can do almost anything, and sometimes that's everything.